Hi everyone! Kanta na naman tayo ulit. This is a special request of Wenbel Paulo sa kanyang Say That You Love Me. The original singer, Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Hope everyone like it. At pagpasensyahan mo na sir kung sometimes saklay. Hindi man kasi talaga ako singer. Ano lang, for living stress lang to. Enjoy watching. My morning starts to shine where teardrops in my eyes, and here I am alone, starting to realize that my days would be brighter if I can learn to hide the feelings that I have for you. Keep hurting me inside. Then my days begins with simple thoughts of you, hoping our tomorrows will be me and you, sharing dreams with each other and making them saying all I need is you. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, just I swear my love will always be with you. Now my nights would end with just one wish, that you to hold me in the dark and help me make it true. 'Cause the pain that's inside me with time will melt away if I had you here with me and promise me you'd stay. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, this is where it's true. My love will always be with you. But will you say that you love me? I'm sure